This video is part of a series of tutorials on how to use the PICOL database. In this video, we will explain how to use the express and quick search features of the database. To use the PICOL express and quick searches, start on the home page of the database. Then click Searches and then Quick. This will open a page with two options: Express Searches and Quick Searches. We will start with Express Searches. Express searches are designed for users who want to make common searches with one click. The main bullet describes what the search does, and the filters it uses are listed below it. These express searches let you filter for Washington State I-502 compliance, for products with organic certifications, and more. As an example, let's click on the Federal Restricted Use Pesticide search. This brings up a list of all of the products in the PICOL database that were federally restricted use at the time of their entry. Quick searches are designed for users who have a good idea of what they are looking for, but don't have an applicable one-click search. In this example, let's search for something to treat white mold on cabbage. Ignore the exact option box for now. Select the crop box and enter cabbage. As you see, when you start typing, the database dictionary gives you a list of options. Either keep typing to get a single entry or select the entry you want by clicking on it. Now, in the pest box, enter white mold using the same process, and then click the Search button. The Search Results screen comes pre-populated with a set of display columns which either let you sort your results or learn about the products. Let's use the first product as an example. Go to the Actions column and then click Details. This opens a new page with information about the product. If we return to our search, we can also go to the Labels tab and select a state. Clicking this opens a PDF copy of the label the product was registered with in that state. At the bottom right of your screen, the database tells you how many individual labels it found, in this case 115. As with all searches, results can be exported to a spreadsheet by selecting one of the Export buttons at the bottom of the screen. If you need help formatting your export results, you should watch our Exporting Search Results tutorial video. While we are in the white mold and cabbage search, let's say, for example, that we want to identify options listed in PICOL as organic. Right-click the column headers at the top of the screen. This drop-down menu will let you add, or remove, as many fields as you are interested in. To identify organic products among the search results, enable filtering by clicking in the Organic field and then type Yes in the search box on that tab. You can enter search strings in multiple tabs to further narrow down the results, such as by entering Home in the intended user field. This gives you a list of all home use organic products in PICOL with white mold and cabbage on the label. Using these search strings does not remove the labels from the results permanently. If you decide you do not want to filter by a certain search string, you can just delete that text from the box and the labels will return. It is important to note that quick and express searches only return currently registered pesticides. If you want to find pesticides that are no longer registered, you will need to do an advanced search. Hopefully, this has clarified how to use simple searches in the PICOL database. If you have any questions, feel free to email us at picol.info@wsu.edu. You can also scan the QR code located on the screen or watch more of our tutorial videos. For status updates on the database and news about the pest management community, consider checking us out on Twitter at PICOL_MGR or Facebook at WSU.WSPRS. Thank you.